Last year, over 4 million work permits were issued to non-EU citizens, allowing them to come and work in Luxembourg. In this brief video, I'll outline how you can migrate to Luxembourg on a seasonal worker's permit. Under this program, English language proficiency tests are not required, and you can expect an average salary of €2,350 per month. Employers typically cover most of your travel expenses, and you'll have the opportunity to explore other EU countries like France, Belgium, Germany, and the Netherlands. This visa offers a fantastic opportunity to kickstart your migration dream. But what exactly is the Luxembourg Seasonal Workers Visa? It's a temporary permit that enables you to legally work in the country for seasonal jobs. These jobs encompass various sectors including construction, hospitality, sales, warehousing, factory work, and cleaning. Luxembourg boasts the highest wages globally, so you can expect a competitive salary. To apply, you'll need a job offer from a Luxembourg-based employer. Once secured, your employer will inform the National Employment Agency, who will issue a certificate of approval. You'll then submit this, along with other documents like a police clearance, health certificate, and passport, to the Luxembourg Embassy in your home country for visa processing. In many cases, employers cover flight expenses and provide accommodation. Now, let's discuss how to secure a job in Luxembourg. One effective method is using online job portals like Google Jobs, Lu, and YourActive. Simply search for your desired job, and these platforms will display relevant openings. Remember, fluency in French, German, or Luxembourgish may be required for certain positions. Finally, consider leveraging LinkedIn for networking and job hunting. By persistently improving your skills and CV, you'll enhance your employability. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring migration opportunities. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and following us on social media for updates. Your migration dream is within reach, don't give up.
I'm on a journey, attention in my side, traveling solo, don't need the highlights.